Yeah, very good evening, children. Let's start our session. Welcome to Action Online Classes. This is Gafar sir, your physics faculty. Shall I start the session?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, today we'll do some numericals related to what? Work power energy. Understand? In the last class, we explained about work and its types of work and formulas related to the work. Look, today we'll do that some numericals. Understand? Shall I give the numericals?
Yes, sir.
So this is your things here.
Yes, sir.
See that? Is it appearing to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now read the question here. The question is, if a force F acts on a body and moves a distance S in the direction of the force, then the work done W defined as. How you will define that work done? F into S. So that is the first option. The unit of work in the CGS system. Unit of work in the CGS system. Tell me, unit of work in the CGS. Amma? Yeah, in your CGS system it is not joule, it is a erg.
Okay, sir.
So next, what is the one erg? So you can define that one erg by using the formula of work done. Work done is equal to force into displacement. What is the force? General formula for force according to Newton's second law. F is equal to what? According to Newton's second law. Ma into S. So that is a work done formula. But what is the units for mass? Mass units kg. What is the acceleration units? Acceleration units are meter per second square. And this distance kada? Distance also meter. Totally kg meter square per second square. This is your units for what? Units for what? Work. This is in CJ system. Gram, 1 gram, kg you can write gram, meters you can write centimeter square, second power minus 2. So this is your 1 erg means what? 1 erg means what? Gram centimeter square per second square. So what is the answer then? What is the answer you have?
Option C, sir.
Option C, option option A. Option A is right answer. Similar way, 1 joule is equal to how many ergs? So here that is nothing but conversion between erg and joule. Joule is a SI system, erg is a CZ system. Look at here, I'll write here. Just now we derived. So here 1 joule means 1 kg meter square per second square. Understand? Similar way, 1 erg means 1 gram centimeter square, 1 gram centimeter square per second square. So these two we have to relate. How can you relate? 1 kg meter square per second square is equal to 1 kg equal to how many grams? 10 power 3 grams. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 10 power 2 centimeter whole square. Understand? So finally 10 power 3 into 10 power 4 into gram centimeter square per second square. So totally 10 power 3 and 10 power 4, which is equal to 10 power 7 gram centimeter per second square. So here the thing is 1 kg meter per second square is equal to how many? 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7. This is called erg. So here the answer is what in that case? 10 power 7, that is option D. Okay na?
Okay.
Now next question. Work said to be done 1 joule if a force dash displaces a body through a distance dash along the direction of the force. Tell me Amma. Work said to be 1 joule. When work said to be 1 joule, if a force dash displaces a body through a distance of dash along the direction of force. A force of how many newtons? If this is you can get this question by using the general formula for work done. What is the general formula for work done? Can I take out this? What is the general formula for work done? The general formula for work done is W is equal to force into displacement. To say this is 1 joule, this force must be 1 newton, this displacement must be 1 meter. So totally 1 into 1, which would be how much? 1 newton meter. This newton meter also known as a joule. So what is the answer here? Work said to be done 1 joule if the force is 1 newton, displaces the body through a distance of 1 meter along the direction of the force, then the force that work done is called 1 joule. So what is the option here? Yeah, so option A is correct. Similar way, 1 kg meter square per second square is known as just now you have seen Gada? Tell me the answer.
1 Newton.
Not 1 newton, 1 joule. Next. Tell me the answers. Tell me the answers. Work done by a force on a body is said to be dash when the body is displaced is in the direction of applied force.
Positive.
Very good. So here you can write that even this is the object mass m, this is a floor. On the floor, if I apply the force, it is displaced some distance s. So when it is displaced some distance s and it is in the direction of the applied force, then it is said to be positive work done. Similar way, next question. The body falling, tell me the body falling towards the earth under the action of the gravity has dash work done by the gravitational force. Positive or zero or negative or anything. Which one is the correct answer? A body falling towards the earth under the action of the gravity has dash work done by the gravitational force. See, this is a object. This is a object. This is a ground. The ground is pulling the object, means in which direction the force is applied. In this direction force is applied. So it is displaced some height h. This height direction, this force direction, both are same or opposite?
Same.
Same, then work done by the gravitational force is a positive or negative?
Positive.
So that is our answer. Understand?
Yes.
Got my point? So answer is what? So answer is positive. Similar way, next the work done by a force on a body is said to be dash work done when the displaced direction opposite to the direction of the force.
Negative work.
Very good. Negative work done is correct answer. Next similar way, 10th question. When a bricks applied, when a brakes are applied on a moving vehicle, not brakes, that brakes actually. When a brakes are applied on a moving vehicle, work done by the braking force, positive or negative? Brakes negative only, because this will apply the friction, so that it's negative. If an object does not move on applying a force, then work done is. If an object does not move applying a force, then the work done is. What kind of work done? Zero. Very good. Zero work done. Your right answer. Next, when a person pushes a wall but fails to move the wall, then work done by the force on the wall is.
Negative.
Negative or positive or zero? Which one is correct?
Both are in opposite direction now, sir.
Say we are pushing a wall, but the wall is not displaced. Then what is the work done?
Zero.
Zero, because no displacement kada, so it is zero.
Yes.
Okay. Let me share one more slide for you. So this is your next slide. So the thing is, it is depend. I mean, it is work done against the gravity. How much work is done by a force of 10 Newton moving a body through a distance of 2 meters? Tell me.
20 joules.
How? What is the formula?
Fs.
Yeah, force is equal, work done is equal to F into S. What is F here? 10 Newton. What is the displacement? 2 meters. Totally 20 joules is the work done. So which option is correct? Option A is correct. Next, same way, 18th one. Calculate the work done by the passenger standing on a platform holding a suitcase of weight 10 kg weight. Kg weight also units for the force. So here we are applying the passenger standing on a platform holding suitcase. How much is the weight he is having? I mean, he is weighing. I mean, he is holding how much weight? 10 kg weight. Then what is the work done? He is asking.
Option B, sir.
Option B. Why option B? Is when he holding. What is the formula for work done here? Formula for work done is what? Force into displacement.
Yes, sir.
So we require a force, and the body should get the displacement. Then only we can say work said to be done. In this case, when he is holding the 10 kg object or 10 kg weight object, so is the object any displacement happened for the object?
Yes, sir.
How much is the displacement happened for the object? When he holding?
No displacement.
No displacement means how much is the work done? How much is the work done if it is no displacement? Zero. So the answer is what? Zero. Similar way, 19th one. Calculate the amount of work done when a force of 2500 dynes displaces by through a 100 centimeter in its own direction. So what is the answer? What is the formula? Work done is equal to force into displacement. What is the force? The force they given in the CGS system 2500 dynes and displaced through how many meters? 100. Totally 25 into 10 power 4 erg. But here the question asking in the joules kada. So what is the relation between 1 joule and 1 erg? 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 erg kada.
Yes.
So 1 erg is equal to how many joules? 10 power minus 7 joules. So you can apply here the same thing. 25 into 10 power 4 erg is equal to how many joules? 10 power minus 7 joules. So which is equal to 25 into 10 power minus 3 joules. So the answer is what? What is the answer then?
2 10 power minus 3 joules.
Which one is the answer?
3, sir.
Yeah. Note.
Yes, sir.
Completed? Is it completed? Next, go for the next question. How much work done by a force of 10 Newton is moving an object through a distance of 1 meter in the direction of the force? Already this question done gada. This kind of question we done.
Yes, sir.
So tell me that answer.
So 10 joules.
How 10 joules? What is the formula here?
Force into displacement.
Yeah, force into what is the how much work done is equal to force into displacement. What is the force here? 10 Newton. What is the displacement by the body? 1 meter. Since totally how many joules? How many joules? 10 joules. Which option is correct? The first option is correct. Understand? Next similar way, 21st question. A boy lifts a weight of 25 kg force and the puts in its back. Calculate the work done by him. He must know. What is the question? Once again, let us read. What is the question? A boy lifts a weight, how many kg? 25 kg force, and then put its back. Okay, calculate the work done him. He must know mass of the weight. Oh, okay. To calculate the work done, what we require? He is asking that what we require. What is the data we require to find the work done? So what we required? Mass of the weight. Is it required? Not required, already given. Okay.
Yes, sir. 25 kg.
The height through which the weight is raised, the volume of the weight, time taken for the displacement. So which one is required to find the work done? What is the formula for work done? Work done is equal to force into displacement. Already the weight will give the force, gravitational force, and you required what? Displacement. So here which one is showing the displacement option? Which one is?
Weight, sir.
Not weight. Here this height through which, height is nothing but displacement kada. Height through which the weight is raised. Okay na? Next one, a body moves through a distance of 3 meters in the following direction, which case is the maximum work done? When you push over the inclined plane, when lift the vertically up, when push over the smooth roll, when push on the plane horizontally, where you'll have the more work done. When push over the inclined plane, when lift vertically up, when push over the smooth when pushed over the plane horizontally. In which case you will have the more work done. Obviously the answer is when you push on a plane of horizontal surface. So in that case we'll have much work done, more work done. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Let us share one more thing for you. So the one more is, yeah. So this is your one more. The one more is, I'll read the question now. The work done by the weight of 1 kg mass when it moves through a 1 meter is. So he is asking work done by weight. So you can draw the free body diagram so that you will get the answer. See here, let us draw the free body diagram. This is a mass of 1 kg.
Yes, sir.
When it is mass of 1 kg, it displaced how much distance? Here to here distance, let us assume 1 meter. But he is asking work done by the weight, kada? Weight will act which direction?
Downward direction.
Downward direction. So what is the answer there?
Gravitational force, sir.
Work done by the gravitational force act in this direction. Actually, he did not mention that this displacement is in upward direction. Okay?
Yes.
When displacement is upward direction, work done is equal to force, gravitational force is mg, then m is 1 into g value is 10 you can take. Displacement is happened in how much this height? 1 meter. But the displacement and work done, displacement and force are acting in the same direction or opposite direction?
Opposite.
So what you'll get? Minus sign you'll get. Finally, 10 minus 10 joules is your answer. So which option is right here?
B, sir.
Option B is right. Okay. Next, 24th question here. An object of mass 10 kg is at point A on a table. It moves to a point B by a distance 5 meters. If the line joining AB is at horizontal, then what is the work done on the object by the gravitational force? Work done by the object on the gravitational force. So this is also similar kind here. Here imagine this is a table. This is a table. On this table, a object is started here. Position at A point A, the object is present. Now we are moving this object along this direction through a distance up to B, point B. Okay, but the distance between this point A and point B is 5 meters. Understand? Okay, but here he is asking that what is the work done with the gravitational force? Gravitational force will act which direction? Downward kada? On the object, the gravitational force acting which direction? Downward. But the displacement happened in which direction? Horizontally. The displacement happened horizontally, but the work done is vertically downward direction. What is the angle between this work? This 90 degrees, kada? When it is 90 degrees, what is the formula for work done? Work done equal to Fs cos theta, kada? F value, what is F value is mg, displacement value is 5 meters. But what is the angle between the force and displacement? 90 cos 90 is 0, so work done is how much? 0.
0 S.
Understand? Because they are maintaining 90 degrees angle. So answer is what? 0. Okay na? Next, in the above question, the work done is minimum when a body is pushed over a inclined plane, lifted up vertically upward, pushed over a smooth rolls, pushed on a plain horizontal surface. Tell me. Which one is right? Lifted vertically upward, pushed over a inclined plane, pushed over a rolls, pushed on a horizontal surface. Tell me which.
Pushed over a horizontal surface, sir.
Yeah, this is right. Next, 26th, work done by tension in the string when a ball is tied to a string is being wired around in a circle is work done by the tension. See, let me take a object. Can I take out this?
Yes, sir.
Here, let us imagine take a ball. This is a ball we are tied to with a string and whirling in a horizontal plane. This is the way I am rotating the ball. When I am rotating the ball this way, in this direction tension force will act. In this direction the motion of the object takes place, velocity. Motion of the object and velocity, how much angle they are making? Tension. Tension and the velocity, how much angle they are making? They are making 90 degrees. So when you apply the work done formula, work done is equal to Fs cos theta. Work done is equal to Fs cos theta. But here the angle between work done and force and displacement are 90 degrees. In this case, force and displacement are 90 degrees. Then how much answer will get? 0 will get. So what is the answer here? So which option is correct? Tension does no work at all. Tension does positive work done. Tension does negative work done. Tension does 0 work. Which one is right?
0 work done.
0 work done is the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Next similar way, next question. What is the next question?
A child on a skateboard is moving at a speed of 2 meters per second. After a force acts on the child, her speed is 3 meters per second. What can you say about the work done by the external force on the child?
Speed is increases or decreases?
Increases.
Which means the force is acting in the direction of the, motion of the object is happened in the direction of the applied force or the opposite direction of the applied force.
Same direction.
So what is the answer then?
Positive work done.
So option A is correct. Ante kada?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Let's share one more. Yeah. Now read.
Handful is pushing on the rope to drag his backpack to school across the ice. He pulls upwards and rightwards with a force of 22.9 newtons at an angle of 35 degrees above the horizontal to drag his backpack at a horizontal distance of 129 meters to the right. Determine the work in joules done upon the backpack.
Yeah. Hands full is pulling a rope to drag a backpack to the school across ice. He pulls towards upwards, rightwards with a force of how much? 22 Newton at an angle of 30 above the horizontal drag. Back at the distance, when backpack is horizontal distance is 120 meters to the right. So determine the work done. See, work done is equal to, formula is work done is equal to Fs cos theta. Here, this is your, let us assume this is a backpacket. We are applying a force in this way and it is making how much angle? 35 degrees. When it is making 35 degrees, so what is the formula here? We have to use work done is equal to work done is equal to force value is 22.9 and the displacement happened is 129 meters into what is the cos 35 value. Cos 35 value already they given 0.8 0.891 0.191. So totally calculate and tell me the answer. Total calculate and tell me the answer.
Yes.
What is the total answer? So here the total answer is 22.9 into 129 into 0.8191. So finally 2419. So 2419. So 2419. So which one is right? So here W is equal to 2419.0 joules is the answer. So 1, 2, 3. So 2.41 into 10 power 3 joules. So which option is correct here?
2.4 option C.
Option C. Yeah. Option A 10 power 3, not 10 power 5.
Okay.
Similar way, 48. Sheila has just arrived at the airport. He is dragging her suitcase to the luggage checking desk. She pulls the strap with a force of 190 Newton at an angle of 32. The horizontal displaced 45 meters to the desk. Determine the work done the Sheila on the suitcase is. Same problem, kada? Similar plane.
Yes, sir.
You can do at home this one. We'll go for the next one. 49. Take the screenshot first. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the final question I will tell. A force of 50 Newton acts on the body and moves it a distance of 4 meters on horizontal surface. Calculate the work done if the direction of the force is at an angle of 60 to the horizontal surface. So this is also similar kind. For applied force is 50 Newton and the distance is 40 meters. Cos angle is how much? Cos angle is 60 degrees. So what is the formula here?
FS cos theta.
Yeah, Fs cos theta. Here W is equal to F value is 50 and S value is 4. Cos 60 value is what? 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 50 into 2 100. So 100 joules is the answer. That is second option.
Yes, option B.
Option B. Next, look at that other question. What is the other question? Take the screenshot or else.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, take the screenshot, try at home. So this you can try at home.
Yes, sir, take it.
So for today, I'll stop the session. Take it, this is at home.
Okay.
Okay. Shall I stop the session?
Okay.
Yeah, bye.